We're filming. So you fired up the wheel?
Yep.
And now you're running a little subroutine that you set in yourself?
Yeah, it's all set. Press cycle start.
Okay. Okay, now it's going to move in all directions, or?
Yep.
Is that Y in and out that way?
Yeah.
And Z's up and down, I take it?
Yeah. That's probably the other way around. Fill it up. It's moving. And it's an automatic program.
Oh, so it is moving automatically.
It's feeding down. Every time it comes out, it feeds down.
Oh, so every time the table moves back and forth, the stone coming down.
Every time it comes out forward, it comes
Oh, okay.
down.
Oh, okay. Okay, I got you. So every time it comes out, oh, so it's like it's a part down there.
Yeah.
And it machines it this way and then it drops.
You can see it dropping right here. We've already dropped 3,000 on the die. A little drop down again.
So it's going to drop from 3 down to 4?
Yep.
Oh, there we go. So it dropped 1,000. And that was in Z.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So that tells you that it's moving in X.
Yeah,
right stroke, left
letting you
stroke.
know once it's reaching its limit.
Oh, that tells you the limit switch. Okay.
Yeah, where we have the stop set down here. We can adjust those out. They'll go out way further.
Oh, you can't adjust the stops. Okay. Okay. So can you machine this dry or wet or both?
Mostly wet.
Mostly wet, but you could machine it dry if you chose?
It depends on the material.
Oh, okay.
We don't do anything